The Turkish arms industry is developing rapidly. The Turkish government regards the development of a strong domestic arms industry as a central part of its security strategy. The government pours billions of dollars each year into the industry through the Undersecretariat for the Defense Industries and other budget funds. The Turkish arms industry is growing rapidly, especially exports. According to the Turkish Aerospace and Defense Industry Performance Report for 2022, the total turnover of the Turkish arms industry was around $9.1 billion, with exports of $3.2 billion. These totals exclude civil aerospace. These figures were up from $8.5 billion and $2.3 billion in 2021. Total military and aerospace exports have increased from $853 million in 2010 to $4.4 billion in 2022, a five-fold increase. Two Turkish companies were included in SIPRI's list of the top 100 arms-producing and military service companies in the world for 2021, Aselsan, a military electronics company, in 56th place with arms sales of $2,160 million in 2022, almost tripled since 2010, and Turkish Aerospace in 84th place with $1,200 million. According to the SIPRI Arms Transfers database, Turkey was the 12th biggest exporter of major conventional weapons in the world over the period 2018 to 22, with deliveries up 69% compared to 2013 to 17. Its biggest customers were Qatar, 20% of Turkish exports, UAE, 17%, and Oman, 13%. Other significant Turkish customers include Turkmenistan, Pakistan, and Ukraine. Turkish exports of major conventional weapons consist mostly of armored vehicles, ships, aircraft, drones, and missiles. Major recent sales include 10,000 Sirat surface-to-air missiles, 700 infantry fighting vehicles, and 11 multiple rocket launchers to the UAE, and over 1,000 armored personnel carriers to Saudi Arabia, types of equipment with major potential for use in Yemen. In recent years, Turkey has become a major player in the international market for armed drones, most notably with the Bayrakter TB2, developed with the assistance of UK technology for the bomb racks. According to SIPRI, the Bayrakter has been ordered by or delivered to 20 countries worldwide up to 2022: Albania, Azerbaijan, Djibouti, Ethiopia, Iraq, Kuwait, Kyrgyzstan, Kosovo, Libya, Mali, Morocco, Nigeria, Pakistan, Poland, Qatar, Romania, Togo, Turkmenistan, UAE, and Ukraine. 7 of these placed their first orders in 2022. It has been used to lethal effect by Azerbaijan in its war with Armenia, by Ethiopia in its brutal war against the rebellious Tigray province, and in the Libyan civil war. They have also been used by Ukraine in resisting the Russian invasion. Turkish drones remain in considerable demand, with a recent sale to Saudi Arabia and further potential new buyers including Bosnia-Herzegovina, Hungary, Latvia, Lithuania, Serbia, Slovakia, the United Kingdom, and Uruguay. Turkey was the 19th biggest importer of major conventional weapons in the world during 2018 to 22. Turkey's main arms suppliers during this period were Italy, 35%, Spain, 20%, and Russia, 19%. While the UK did not deliver any complete systems to Turkey during this period, it is an important supplier of components. In particular, the UK arms industry is a major partner in the pan-European A400M military transport aircraft, for which Turkey is a major customer. BAE Systems is also partnering with Turkish Aerospace Industries and Turkey's F-100 program for the development of a domestically designed combat aircraft. Germany has also recently sold 70 second-hand Leopard tanks to Turkey, and in 2011 agreed a contract for 2.2 to 2.5 billion euros for 6 Type 214 submarines was produced in Turkey based on German technology. Delivery of these started in 2022. Turkish industry is rapidly developing into world-leading industry with highly sophisticated items. Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.